You don't want that smoke, nigga. You don't want that smoke.
So what's good, y'all? Today we're making butternut squash soup. Y'all heard that right, butternut squash soup.
You don't want that smoke, nigga. Yeah.
So first you're gonna take your butternut squash and cut it in half like so. Make sure you're using a good knife that is able to cut through. I'm using a serrated knife that's used to cut like breads and fruits. It got the job done. It ain't even on both sides, but it cut. Then after you cut it, you want to season it with some Himalayan pink salt. Well, I'm seasoning it with pink salt. And I'm seasoning it with some black pepper as well. Give it a little kick to it. You season it, you know how you want it to taste. Everything is always seasoned to taste. How you like your food, season it that way. Then I took some garlic parmesan as well. Give it a little herb taste to it. Then once you season it well, put it in the oven for about an hour and 30 minutes. I put it in there for an hour. I had to put it back in for 30 minutes because you want it to be soft. When you take it out of the oven, you want it to be soft. You want to be able to stick a fork and the fork go all the way in. So like I said, you're going to stick it in there for an hour and 30 minutes. Like so. And you're going to also, once you take it out, cut the peel off, well, the outside off. You can cut around it. Once it's soft, you can cut around it, get all what you need out of it. And then you're going to puree it. I puree mine with some almond milk to kind of give it a lighter taste. And it's not as thick as well. So like I said, you're going to puree it till it's all mashed up. Then, once it's done, you pour it in your bowl. Also, I use the seeds as garnishment. You can roast the seeds. It has a pretty good flavor. But I just use it as garnishment, like so. You don't have to. Everything I do, I got to make sure it look pretty and appealing to the eye. You understand? You underdig. So here it is. This is how you make butternut squash soup. Thank y'all for tuning in. Remember to like, subscribe, and share for your boy. And we out, man.